real life math. We're doing tax tips and discounts, and we're going to use proportions to solve it. When we do proportions, we compare two things, the part and whole. So this would be the part and whole. The first thing we'd be comparing would equal the part and whole of the second thing. And we're going to use that butterfly multiplying to figure out the answer. And I'm only going to get into the percentage proportions today because we'll do the others later. We've already said that percent means out of 100. So, like if you're taking a test with 100 questions, this would mean you got 93 out of the 100 questions right, 93, 100. So 93%, that's how we got it. So if you only get 9 out of 100, you only get 9%. That's your grade. Okay? And so forth. So your percentage is that number over 100. And that's how we're going to figure out these problems. So if it's a tax, this is a sales tax, we're going to add it to the cost. So it's an addition. So if you see shoes that are $75, there's a sales tax and it pays for your roads, it pays for schools, all kinds of things. Everybody pays tax. So my whole thing is $75. I don't know what the tax is yet, but I know it's 5%, which is 5 out of 100. My part is 5, the whole is 100. I don't know the part of the 75 I'm looking for. I cross multiply. 100x equals 5 times 75. Let me go to my calculator and say 5 times 75, and I get 375. So 375. Now, one-step equation, I have to divide by 100. Those cancel out. If I put that in my calculator, this is my sales tax. It's $3.75. But for my total cost, I need to take the cost of my shoes, add the tax, because now I need to pay $78.75. That's why nothing actually, you don't actually pay what it says on the tag. You have to add the tax. Another thing you can add to the bill would be a tip. And you can tip in a lot of different ways. Dinner is a good one. So it's a $36 dinner bill. I want to do a 20% tax. That's considered to be like the pretty good tip. I don't know the cost of the tip, but I know my bill, the whole thing was $36. So what is my 20%? This is my I don't know. I'm cross multiplying. Always going to be 100x. 20 times 36 is going to be 720 if I put that in my calculator. One-step equation, I solve it by dividing each side by 100. And that gives me $7.20. That's not my total answer because I want to know how much money to leave on the table. So I need to add the tip amount to my $36. So $43.20 is my answer. A discount we subtract because it's a sale. So I have $75 shoes. They're on sale for 20% off. I don't know the savings, but I know the shoes are $75. But I know it's 20 out of 100, 20%. Cross multiply. 100x equals, that's 20 times 75. Divide each side by 100. So this is my discount. That's how much money I subtract from the cost of my shoes, making the total cost of my shoes $60 because they were on sale. So again, this is actual math, and we will